Hello everybody, this is September the 8th, 2021. Just going to do a little walk around of Helen, Georgia. In case you've never been here, nice alpine place. A lot of little shops, gift shops, a lot of good places to eat. A lot of people. It's a good time of the year to come though. They have Oktoberfest starting in October for the month. Many more shops up that way. I'm not going to walk up the hill. Shops on both sides. Anyway, it's just a little snapshot of Helen, Georgia, if you've never been here. This sign right here says that Helen, Georgia, USA to its friendship sister city. I can't pronounce it, but it's Fussen, Bavaria, FRD. There's a little bit more. And that's going to be all for the day. Signing off in Helen, Georgia.